Hey, and welcome to module 5.5 JSON Capture Tool. So in this video, I'm gonna show you something very cool. In this video, you are going to discover how you can combine messages together using the JSON code generator. Basically what you're able to do is select specific messages, whether they're in the same flow or not, and tie those together. This will generate a string of JSON code, which you then can use in your Facebook Messenger ads, your click-to-messenger ads. This particularly comes in handy if you already got some messages out there on your chatbot inside Clever Messenger, but for some reason they are not in the same flow and you just want to mix and match a couple of messages together, then this tool is the way to go. And with this tool, you can actually craft a nice piece of JSON code by yourself without the need of tidying up the code. Everything is already done for you. So very cool stuff. And to be honest, it's best if you just get to see how it works. So without further ado, let's get started right away. And just like that, you're inside the Clever Messenger app again, and in this short little video, you're going to discover more about the JSON code generator. Now, in the previous training videos, we actually got that piece of JSON code that we can actually use in the click-to-messenger ads on the flow composer right here. So let me just first click on this cogwheel right here and go to dashboard, go to flows right here. There we go. And go to that ask for email address flow right here. Click on edit. There we go. It redirects us to the composer. And it's this specific thing right here I'm talking about under click to messenger ads. So this is that piece of JSON code right here that we actually used to set up those click to messenger ads, right? However, it's actually possible to combine multiple snippets of JSON code using the JSON generator capture tool. So what this actually does, let me just show you, is by navigating right here on the magnet icon and clicking on JSON generator. There we go. This basically has an entire library of all the existing messages in this specific chatbot. And what we can do right here from this page is actually select up to 5 messages and string those together. This will shoot out a combined JSON code, and you can actually use that code in your click to messenger ads. Now, this is actually very cool, because if you actually want to use messages together that are originating from different flows, you can actually do that right here and send an entire new message to people who click on those click to messenger ads. So let me just show you. It's very simple. It actually appears in the order we are going to click these checkboxes in. So let's say that I want to lead in with an image right here from the welcome message training right there. Then use the welcome message text card number 1 as the actual text. And by all means, just check it out right here to see which message this actually is by clicking on the action button and view message. This opens up the preview. And this way we can actually see which message we are actually selecting. So right now I'm just going to continue right here. I'm going to click that one right there as well. And let's just say that I want to use a message with buttons that actually triggers on click a next message or next flow. I can actually do that as well. So let me just go to, I think it's text card number 7. No, text card number 6. Yeah, so let's choose that one as well. And let me just click on generate JSON code right here and see what happens. There we go. Boom. So now it actually compiled or composed an entire new message based on the checkboxes we clicked right here that correspond with their current messages. So right now, this is what it actually looks like. So it says, hey, user first name, welcome to Clever Messenger. I'm the chatbot of this page. By the way, I can shoot a free PDF over in this conversation. Yes, please send it. And from there, it actually goes over to asking that email address or actually delivering the lead magnet right there in the conversation. But as you can see right here, I actually grabbed messages from 3 specific flows and compiled an entirely new message, which basically made up this message right here. And this is the code I can actually use in my click to messenger ads. So the only thing I need to do is basically click on this button right here where it says copy generated JSON code, and I paste that in the exact same location I showed you in the previous videos. Super simple stuff. This actually allows you to compile messages very quickly. You don't have to fiddle around with code yourself, and it actually speeds up your work drastically as well, because you don't have to create an entirely new flow for just a singular ad. Now you can just grab messages and basically string everything everything together. Now there is a limit. Again, you can string up to 5 messages together. This is not a limitation on our end, because if it was possible, we obviously gave you unlimited messages you could actually tie together. This, however, is a Facebook limitation. So once you try to select over 5 messages, you actually can't, because that's when we block out the checkboxes. So that's actually what I wanted to show you. A neat little trick by using the JSON generator, the JSON code generator, which allows you to string multiple messages from multiple flows together, creating a unique message you can use in your Facebook click to Messenger ads.